Hey everyone! Today I'm making Zha Qie He, or Chinese fried eggplant pockets. Although these aren't anything gourmet, they're a staple in Chinese home cooking. Every single Chinese person has had this dish for sure. To get started, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of Chinese cooking wine to ground pork. Half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of water. You can also add things like scallions, garlic, or ginger. Stir in one direction until it forms a paste. This helps tenderize the meat and make it juicy rather than dry. Get your eggplant out and cut it just like this. On the first cut, you don't cut all the way down, and on the second cut it off. Do this until the whole eggplant is cut up. Use a small knife and cut a little further down to make a larger pocket without cutting the edges. Now fill your eggplant pockets with the pork mixture, making sure not to overfill them. To make the batter, mix 100 grams of flour, 40 grams of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice or whatever seasoning you like, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 180 grams of water. Mix until smooth. First, dip each eggplant into flour. This helps the batter stick to it. Dip them in the batter and fry at 350 Fahrenheit until golden and crispy. Be careful frying because if you have any meat exposed, the fat makes the oil go crazy. These are perfect as a side dish and will go well with rice or whatever main you're having. And if you have leftovers, you can reheat them in the oven and they remain crispy. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you have any other Chinese food requests, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.